What's going on, guys? It's Tom from StockedUp. I hope you guys had a wonderful Wednesday. GE and 3M have both popped for me today. I had a fantastic trading day today. We can see the ES futures are tanking right here on open. They just opened up at 5:30 and they just tanked right on open. Wow, it just keeps tanking lower and lower. It's down already 20 points right now. That's an insane drop. I went ahead and went in Discord and asked if there was any news, and Mike hit me up with an article right here from CNBC. Apparently, the U.S. deficit surged 25% in 2020. That's pretty large, guys. 25% surge in the deficit whenever we already owe like what, 20 trillion or something. Now we owe 21 trillion. That's pretty large. And this is the advantage of having Discord. All I had to do was just go in and ask a question, any big news, and I already get some people responding and giving me some answers with articles and different things. It'll really help you out. Just click the link below, join the Discord, get in here. We have free picks that are day trades for options every single day. Mike posts them out every day. They're really good picks, guys. They've been popping a lot lately. People have been really happy with them. Obviously, it's hard to tell what the market's going to do by tomorrow. It could rise all the way back up and gap back up, or it could keep going down. With the news on a deficit like that, I would say it continues downwards, but you never know. It did just go through the 100 SMA. As you could see, it kept bouncing off the 100 right here, and then finally went above and kept trading higher, but it did end up falling below, and I believe it will end up going lower tomorrow, back towards the 1,000 on the 15. I want to go ahead and show you guys one play that I did today on GE, or General Electric. As you guys can see, over the past couple of years, General Electric is definitely down in price. They've fallen significantly. They've fallen over 60% over the past 2 years alone, let alone even further. If you go out even further, they've fallen a lot the past couple of years, guys. They're a stock that definitely goes up, and they definitely go down a lot. And what they do is they have big downspouts like this, where they just go straight down, and then they have a long-term uptrend. And that's exactly what I'm playing here, guys. I'm going to go ahead and start playing calls on GE as it's going on this slow uptrend. And what I'm going to do is I'm holding physical shares, and I'm buying calls also. Now, keep in mind, I'm not buying calls all the time. I'm buying them in smart places. Like right here, I bought a call today around lunchtime, and they popped over 60% already. Very good pick for the calls. But I am holding the stock long term. I did buy in right here at like 1280. Even if it does fall down 25%, but it might go up 80 to 90% over the next few years, and that's all I care about with this stock, guys. I am not buying this to go up tomorrow. I'm buying it to go up tomorrow with calls. And another big indicator, guys, is that it's finally trading above this purple 100 SMA that I'm following along with right now. If you follow along this 100 purple SMA, we'll follow it down, and you can just see the stock just bounces off of it and just continues lower and lower and lower. And once it finally pops above it, it rises higher, and it rose higher right there and right here. But you can see it doesn't really go very high above it until it actually goes above and then bounces again. Exactly like right here, it just pops right above it, goes up, touches it, comes back down, and then flies above it. And that's exactly what happens whenever you're trading with the 100 SMA on, is that you want to wait for it to go ahead and cross above. So if we go ahead and go back in time to the other big time it went down, you can see if we follow the 100 again, it just gaps right through the 100, continues down, comes back up and touches it, and then continues lower again. But if we go ahead then and come back and look whenever the stock starts to actually rise, we can see that it goes above the 100, comes back down, touches the 100, and then just continues up while touching the 100 SMA all the way back up. And you can see, look, it's just staying above. It does fall below a little, and then it comes back above, touches it again, and just continues to just ride above. And you can see then it comes back below and bounces and touches it and then falls a lot again. And then as soon as it goes above the 100 again, guess what it does, guys? It goes up. So guess where we're at right now? It just crossed above the 100 here. It gapped up, and it's gapping up right now. So we're trading above the 100, which means that we're in a prime opportunity for it to continue to rise higher. Kind of like right here, how it just keeps going higher and higher and higher after the 100. Now you need to keep in mind it can fizzle out and kind of go sideways like this for a couple of months until it does go up long term. And that's exactly what you want to see. You want to start seeing an uptrend like this. Now, if it breaks the 100 and it starts flying like really low, you might want to get out of it then at like a 20% loss or so. But at the same time, this is kind of a safer stock, and you're going to want to hold it long term with more money than usual on it because of the price it is. So for all the options players out there, one good thing to look for is that since it's trading above the 100 right now, the 100 is all the way down here, is that the next time it comes down and touches the 100, expect it to rise. Look at this. If you would have bought calls whenever it touched the 100 right here, and then it goes from 9 all the way up to 1060, that would be huge. If you would have bought 950 calls right there, that would have been a huge, like 200% plus gain on these 2 trading days where I had these 2 huge green bars right here. Definitely be prepared just in case the S&P 500 has a red day tomorrow. Comment your thoughts down below, and thanks for watching.